Meaning of freeride board.
Freeride board.
Freeride board.
Freeride board.
Freeride board. A freeride board is a type of snowboard designed for riding outside of the park or on ungroomed terrain. It typically has a directional shape, meaning the tail is narrower than the nose, and is stiffer than a park board for stability at high speeds. Freeride boards also often have larger noses and tails for better flotation in deep snow. They are suitable for intermediate to advanced riders who want to explore the mountain and ride a variety of terrain. Overall, a freeride board is a versatile option for those seeking a fun and adventurous ride on the mountain.